atoms, molecules, and life. Welcome to the fascinating world of atoms, molecules, and their pivotal role in life on Earth. Let's embark on a journey to understand these foundational concepts of chemistry and biology. Everything in the universe is made of matter, and the most basic building blocks of matter are elements. An element is a substance that consists of only one type of atom. Atoms, the smallest units of an element, maintain the identity and properties of the element. Think of elements as different types of Lego blocks, and atoms as the individual Lego pieces. Delving deeper, each atom is a microcosm of particles. At its core, the nucleus, are two types of particles: protons, which are positively charged, and neutrons, which have no charge. Orbiting this nucleus are electrons, tiny negatively charged particles. This balance of positive and negative charges holds the atom together. The number of protons defines the type of element, while electrons play a key role in chemical reactions. Isotopes are variants of a particular chemical element, differing in neutron numbers. Some isotopes are unstable and decay over time, releasing energy or particles. This process is known as radioactivity. Radioactive isotopes have applications in medicine, such as in cancer treatment, but can also be harmful due to their ability to damage living cells. Atoms don't like being alone. They form molecules by bonding with other atoms. This bond is like a handshake between atoms, allowing them to attain stability. There are several types of chemical bonds, including ionic, covalent, and hydrogen bonds. Ionic bonds occur between charged atoms, covalent bonds involve sharing electrons, and hydrogen bonds are weak attractions between molecules or parts of molecules. Water, a simple molecule composed of two hydrogen atoms bonded to one oxygen atom, exhibits remarkable properties that make it vital for life. Its ability to dissolve a wide range of substances, its high surface tension, remember the overfilled glass of water, and its role as a temperature buffer are just a few examples of why water is indispensable. The pH scale measures how acidic or basic a solution is, ranging from 0, highly acidic, to 14, highly basic, with 7 being neutral. Acids release hydrogen ions in solution, while bases accept them. Buffers help maintain a stable pH in living organisms, an essential factor for many biological processes. Let's apply what we've learned to understand everyday phenomena. For instance, the slowest diffusion rate of dye particles in water occurs at lower temperatures, 10 degrees Celsius, due to decreased molecular movement. In the enzyme activity example, heating to 100 degrees Celsius likely denatured the enzyme, changing its structure and rendering it inactive. This illustrates how temperature can significantly impact biochemical reactions. Biological molecules. Embark on a journey into the microscopic universe of biological molecules. These intricate entities are not just the foundations of life, they are a testament to the complexity and brilliance of nature. This chapter will unravel the mysteries of these molecules, shedding light on their essential roles in all living organisms. At the heart of this molecular world lies carbon, the cornerstone of life. Carbon's uniqueness lies in its ability to form 4 stable covalent bonds with other atoms, including itself, enabling the creation of a vast array of complex and diverse organic molecules. The ability of carbon to form chains and rings paves the way for an infinite variety of molecular structures, essential to life as we know it. In the construction and deconstruction of biological molecules, 2 processes stand out: dehydration synthesis and hydrolysis. Dehydration synthesis is akin to a molecular construction process, where smaller molecules join to form larger ones, releasing water as a byproduct. This process is vital in forming complex carbohydrates, proteins, and nucleic acids. On the flip side, hydrolysis acts like molecular demolition, breaking complex molecules into simpler ones by adding water, crucial for digestion and cellular metabolism. Carbohydrates, composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, come in various forms, ranging from simple sugars like glucose to complex polysaccharides like starch and cellulose. Simple carbohydrates provide immediate energy, while complex carbohydrates serve as energy stores and structural components in living organisms. For example, cellulose forms the rigid structure of plant cell walls, and glycogen serves as an energy reserve in animals. Then there are lipids, encompassing fats, oils, and waxes, known for their insolubility in water. Comprising primarily fatty acids and glycerol, lipids serve as long-term energy storage, insulators, and biological barriers. Triglycerides stored in adipose tissue provide energy reserves, and phospholipids form the fundamental structure of cell membranes. Proteins, made from amino acids, are the most diverse biomolecules. Their unique three-dimensional structures, resulting from the folding of amino acid chains, dictate their myriad functions. Proteins serve as enzymes, structural components, transporters, antibodies, and hormones, each role critical to the functioning of living cells. The structure of proteins is intricately categorized into primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary levels, each critical to the protein's specific function. Nucleotides and nucleic acids are the information carriers of cells. Nucleotides, consisting of a sugar, a phosphate group, and a nitrogenous base, form the long chains of DNA and RNA. DNA stores and transmits genetic information, while RNA is involved in protein synthesis. These molecules play pivotal roles in gene expression and the regulation of biological processes. Understanding these biological molecules provides insights into the mechanisms of life and the basis for biological diversity and function. With this knowledge, the distinction between organic and inorganic substances becomes clear. For instance, recognizing water, H2O, as an inorganic substance, distinct from organic compounds like sugars, proteins, and nucleic acids, all of which contain carbon in their molecular structure, is essential in understanding the basics of biochemistry and molecular biology.